Hi Kim, it's Alana. So I wanted to show you what I did so you'll know what to expect. No checks for Monday. Didn't have time to do it. It's Saturday 1:10 and I still haven't even packed and I'm leaving tonight. So I'm stressing. All right, please take this attendance. I don't know if Caleb will be here, so that falls on you if you're able to do that. I really need those sheets to do checks and makeup work and attendance information myself. This is all of Ava's work. My completed work is in here with her work, and that's the case with all the students. So this folder was too small to hold all this stuff. So everything is labeled Monday morning, Monday afternoon. So it's all labeled morning, afternoon, because I see her twice a day. She's allowed to come in during recess if she wants to work ahead. Any of the students can do that actually, but mainly just her because she works on her own. So it's at her own pace. So all her stuff is there. There's a lot to do. My notebook is underneath her notebook. Some of the videos are blurry or, too far away to see. Nothing I can do about that, but that's why I left my work behind. So each day in the afternoon for group 1, Avea's work is labeled Avea's work, but everyone else's in group 1 is labeled the rest. So in the afternoon, they do the same thing every day. It's just a different page each day. So that's that. It's called May Daily Review Packet, and it's done the same way each day. This is review for them. They should already know this stuff. All the directions are there. And then the rest of the work is here. So this would be the morning work. All of this is morning work for the rest of group 1, not counting Avea, because she does her own. My completed work is behind their work. So like packets, task cards, exit slips, my completed work is behind theirs. Okay. So that's for all the days. I just read the sticky notes and the directions. I created a checklist for you to make it easier, but this is printed twice. Everything is printed pretty much twice for you. This is group 2, Brody. He meets in the morning and afternoon on Mondays and Tuesdays. So that's how that is split up. Same thing. My completed work is behind his. I recycle paper, so if you see some random things on the back, it's recycled paper like that. So all my completed work is with his work. And this is his notebook, and this is my notebook. It's hard to see some in the video, so he might just have to use my notebook and listen to my voice at the same time and write what I wrote in my notebook. This goes for all the groups. They're supposed to write when I write, but on the videos it's sometimes hard to see, so that's why I left my work behind. Same in group 3. Group 3 meets twice on Wednesdays and Thursdays. No after school tutoring for the whole week. So this is Monday's afternoon work, Tuesday, and so on. And my work is behind their work. Everything is sticky noted and labeled. As they complete their work, please put it in the turn-in tray. Which I'll talk about that in a minute. I'll just talk about that now. So this is the tower. McKinley has been given the job to take these into Miss Sharia's room in the morning so they can stick their folders and notebooks or whatever they take home with them. She'll come and get those if the door is open for her. Their work to do would go down there normally, and you can do that whenever you come in and you look at everything and then put their work in here. It's fine. Leave Avea's on that desk. I don't want it mixed in with the others. That would be chaos. Group 2 and 3, they know what to do with these. These are multiplication fluencies, and they time themselves. They check them their own using my answer keys. They know what to do with that. After they do that, they update the board right here. And they also update their B, which is way over there behind my desk. They know what to do. those flashcards hanging on the metal cabinet. They know to take those if they need to study them for fluency. On the board, I wrote down Avaya has 7 total afternoon videos. The rest have 4 morning videos. That's how it's going to alternate because they can't all use the same computer. So Avaya's videos are in the afternoon. The rest of the group, their videos are in the morning. So she'll, in the morning while they're watching their videos, she'll have work to do. And it's all in the notes. So morning routines are included in the videos. So instead of them being responsible for the calendar on the wall and the red calendar, it's all in the video to make them move faster. So quickly have them come in, sanitize, get their work, adjust the calendar, and just hit play because the videos, some of them are long. And that goes for all the classes. Just come in quickly, hit play. So they have plenty of time. Birdie has a total of 6 videos and group 3 has a total of 4. Avaya would only have 5, but my phone messed up. So 1 video turned into 3 videos. No checks. Cursive pages, group 2 and 3 are due each day. There's 2 pages. They're all dated in their packets. They know what to do with that. That will not be discussed in each video. It's only discussed like at the beginning of one of Birdie's videos. My planner's all filled in, color-coded according to phrases that I use and abbreviations. HW stands for homework, WS stands for worksheets, NB stands for notebook, PGS or PG stands for pages or page, PCKT stands for packet, and CHK stands for check. I use those phrases all the time in my writing. Here are the subnotes. I'll put the link to this video in those subnotes and send you these items in email. So those are this is only processes and procedures. It's mainly the same except for they will not do any of the calendar and stuff on their own. They'll follow along with me in the video to make them move quicker. Please leave a note for each day for each group. So this is Mondays and it has a back side. For group 3 is on the back. So those, please fill that in. So I know what happened each day, especially with behavior. I don't predict any like behavior problems. The only one that usually does is Avaya, and there's a story behind her, so please don't be judgy with her. Be patient but stern. There's a big story behind why she acts the way she does. Okay, so group 3, here's all of their, and it's color-coded. It's color-coded according to the tower, because that's their class color. Group 3 is green. Group 2 is blue. Group 1 is red, but Avaya's work is always in the orange folder, so her work is orange. So you can easily tell what the plan is. Like this is the rest, and that's Avaya's. So I color-coded it to make it as easy as possible. I do well with color coding, so that's why it's like that. And it's easier for you to know what papers you are looking at. Okay, so yellow is class procedures, subnotes. Green is group 3, blue group 2, red is the rest of the group besides Avaya. Avaya is orange. And the afternoon stuff for the rest of the group 1 is all the same each afternoon. So it's on one big paper instead of printed out separately. So this is all afternoon. So I made it real bold on each person's plans, trying to make it easy as possible. Group 1, during the second visit in the afternoon, they get hot because they just came from recess. They're running around like crazy. So that is why that note is on there. They'll usually ask for it. Thank you so much for subbing for me. I hope I made it as easy as possible. And God willing, I'll be back Monday with all kinds of adventure stories to tell. Hopefully, I didn't miss anything, but if I did, I'm sure you can figure it out. All right, thank you.